Welcome to the second in a series of tutorials for the ArrayCam Imager. In this tutorial, we'll explore the adjustments you can use to make your image easier to see, and then we'll walk through a manual analysis. We'll begin where we left off in tutorial number 1, with the first captured image. To make the spots more visible, we can make several adjustments using the Display Adjustments panel in the lower left portion of the screen. We start by moving the brightness slider to the right. Note that the overall image has become brighter. Next, we'll slide the contrast control to the right. Note how the bright areas become brighter and the dark areas become darker. Next, we'll adjust gamma, a function which adds a nonlinear relationship between intensity and brightness. Adjusting gamma can increase contrast between dark and light areas. If you wish to return to the original image without adjustment, simply press the Reset button. Adjustments only affect how the image is viewed on the screen and do not alter the original image. There are several palettes available to choose from. For example, we could have chosen the Gradient palette, which uses color to increase contrast, or Spectrum, or Rainbow. The display adjustments work the same way for every palette. Once we have the image adjusted to maximize our ability to locate spots, we can magnify the image and zoom in on the spots of interest. Just click the magnifier on the region you want magnified to zoom in. You can always zoom back out by pressing the Shift key while clicking. If the image isn't quite where you want it, select the Pan tool symbolized by the hand icon. Click and hold the Pan tool over the image and drag it to the desired location. The rectangle and circle icons allow you to select rectangular and circular regions of interest. Click and drag the selection tool to outline the region of interest. Click the Set button to analyze the selected region of interest. The analysis results are listed in the lower right corner of the window. In the upper right corner of the window, you select the type of analysis to be performed. The spot intensity can be calculated as the median or mean of all pixels within the region of interest. The volume intensity measure reports an accumulated total of all pixel intensities. The angular ring background method excludes a ring around the spot to calculate the local background, whereas the donut method does not. Choose the desired background diameter as a ratio to the spot diameter. The spot intensity can be automatically corrected with respect to the background intensity and will be reported as the measure result. Of course, you can always choose the default settings by clicking the Default Settings button. If you wish to analyze more than one region of interest at a time, You can select additional regions by holding down the Control key while clicking and dragging the selection tool. When you've selected the regions, click the Set button. View the analysis of the additional spots by selecting the corresponding region number from the drop-down menu. To see a summary of the analysis results, navigate to the Image Inspection Results tab. In this window, you can see a tabular listing of the analysis results listed by region number. You can print the results to an HTML report, or you can save the results to a text file to be imported into another data management program. This concludes the second ArrayCam tutorial. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. The next tutorial covers the beginning steps to using the automated analysis method.